In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the same background image to all slides in Google Slides. This is a straightforward process that will enhance the visual consistency of your presentation, making it more appealing and professional. Whether you're working on a school project, business presentation, or a creative slideshow, having a uniform background can be quite beneficial. So, let's dive in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First, we need to open Google Slides and access the presentation to which you wish to add the background image. You can either create a new presentation or open an existing one, whatever suits your needs. Once you have your presentation open, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. Find the option labeled Slide on this menu bar. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, you need to select Change Background. This option is vital as it will allow us to modify the background for our slides. After you click on Change Background, a new window will appear with various options to alter the slide's background. Here, you'll notice a button that says Choose Image. Go ahead and click that button, and it will prompt you to upload an image from your device or select one from Google's image search or your photos. Now, choose the image you wish to use as your background. It could be an image stored locally on your computer, or perhaps a picture you found online that suits your presentation theme. After selecting your desired image, it will begin to upload, and you'll see a preview of how it will look on your slide. This step is crucial because it allows you to see if the image fits well and maintains the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with the preview, there's an essential checkbox that you must select. You'll see an option to Apply to all slides. This is the magic button that will ensure your chosen image is applied as a background across all the slides in your presentation. Without selecting this option, the image will only be applied to the current slide, and you'll miss out on the consistency we're aiming for. After checking this box, click on Done. With that, your image will now serve as the background for every slide in your presentation. This uniformity not only makes the presentation visually pleasing, but also helps maintain a consistent theme throughout your slides, making your message clearer and your presentation more engaging. And there you have it, a uniform background set across all your slides with just a few clicks. I hope you found this guide helpful, and it gives your presentations that polished look you're striving for. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.